I was just thinking the other day, like, if God or, universe, spirit, however you say it, like, put something on your heart, then fucking get it. Hey. I just fucking fought a rooster, bro. I'm so sorry. Bro. Oh my god. The fucking rooster came after me, dude. And I went to kick it, because that's what my stepdad says to do. And I slipped and fell. Holy fucking shit. I'm so sorry you had to listen to all that. It kept going. Damn, that fucking asshole of a rooster. I'm so sorry. That's crazy. I gotta listen back to that voice memo.